Indra, king of the Devas, bowed before Rama and said, "You are Vishnu incarnate, born to restore balance. Ask any boon, and it shall be granted." Rama bowed in turn. "If I have earned merit, let all those Vanaras who fell in battle rise again." Indra nodded, and at once, the battlefield stirred, the fallen warriors stood, whole and living, their wounds vanished, their spirits renewed. Cries of joy rose from the armies, for death itself had been defeated by Rama's compassion. Thus, the war ended not only with victory but with restoration. Enemies were honored, allies revived, Dharma re-established. The time had come to return home.